We've been at Seven Springs for a few weeks now, and we're starting to settle into the relaxed rhythm of life here. Like any home though, even one on wheels, there are always a few things that need to be taken care of. Our first stop today was a repair shop. One of our e-bikes needed a little attention.
Okay, so we bought these electric bikes about a month ago, not quite a month ago. And I noticed right away that the front shocks had some play in the front. So I contacted Electric. They were awesome. They got a really good customer support. Got back to me right away, asked a few questions, and then they recommend bring it to a bike shop to get it checked out under warranty. So they have one here local, about 15 minutes from where we're camping. And it's called Astro Cycle. That's the bike shop right in behind here where I picked up the bike.
So they end up getting putting new forks on it, all under warranty. They covered everything. So just letting you know that, sometimes, when you buy new stuff, it's not perfect. Sometimes there's problems, but it's how the company deals with it. And Electric was awesome to deal with. No hassles at all. Got it all fixed up. So we'll do some biking and check them out. But right away, I could tell that the forks were great.
So I just want to give you a quick little idea that I had in order to give myself some more counter space. I found that this is really hard, especially when I want to cook something on the stove. It's fine when I'm not. Then I just put one of my cutting boards right down and I do my thing. However, if I want to do anything else, and I find the table's really too low and I really don't want to have to sit and chop. And it's very annoying. But we came up with this really cool idea. So we got a new dish drain. And so it sits here really nicely and we can adjust accordingly, but we've got it the way we want it. We put this down, whoops, in here. And one of the reasons I don't like it being here all of the time is when I'm washing. Sometimes, you get dirty water hitting the clean stuff. I don't want to do that. So that is cool. We have ourselves a nice Brita. However, there's no room in the fridge, so it's sitting right there right now. But
just got groceries.
We just got groceries. Now look at this thing. So this comes out, and this goes right here. And then if I push it up against the shelf, I still have room to run water if I need to. But I've got all of this space to be able to chop. And again, I'm still going to use these guys, put it down, and I've got space to put things on. Yeah, it's working really, really well. I've been using it for the last 2 days. I just want to make sure it worked well. And it's fabulous. So now I can still rinse veggies or whatever I've got a place to put stuff I'm working on, and I can cook. So, isn't that cool? So that's what I got going on here, and it works really well. And when I'm done, we've got a nice spot for it right here. It's not going to stay here when we're traveling. Obviously, I've got to move that out of the way when we're traveling, but all of this stuff comes down anyways. And I also do have this one. It's a bit big. Blair is going to cut it down for me so I can actually shove it in here.
We can inset it right.
Yeah, just inset it right into that lip, right? So that way, if I want, I can still just do a small area and still have the sink if I'm just doing small prep. So little things that bring me joy. Anyways, so that's what we're doing here. So that goes back and holds everything there. So yeah, very happy with the way it's coming together.
And all of a sudden I seen him coming from over here and I go, well, hell, that ain't a fish.
Yeah.
And I kind of lost it in the weeds.
Yeah.
Here he just kept coming.
Hey, pretty close to him now.
Yep.
It's just a
He's
little
that
guy.
big, maybe 4 feet.
Yeah, that's what we figure.
That's all right, big enough.
Yeah.
One of the things we enjoy most about RV life isn't just discovering new places. It's becoming part of the community, even if it's only for a little while. Over the next few days, we started settling into the rhythm of life here at Seven Springs. We met some wonderful people, joined a few community gatherings, shared plenty of conversations and laughs, and quickly began to feel at home. It's amazing how welcoming people can be, and it's those connections that often become our favorite memories of a place.
So it's coming together.
No, you gotta share.
Everybody's doing something a little bit different. We have a lot of artistic ladies here doing their thing. So this is the community hall. It is the main office. It's where we did our painting. And this is the best part. It's where you can pick up your Amazon packages. And there's my finished product. I'm an artist. So it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The sun is shining and a bit of a breeze. And it's coming to the end of our time here at this park before we move on. But we're here for a couple more days. Today we're getting in bike rides and just wandering around and sitting by the pool. Tomorrow we got to do more cleanup, so laundry and things like that before we pack up to move on to another place. But it's been really nice here, and we've been very much enjoying the community, and we've also been really loving meeting new people. We love being able to find people that are just love life, and they just love moving out of their comfort zone and doing new things. And for a lot of them, that's coming down here and spending some time here and meeting new people as well, because this community really does reach out. We've been very much enjoying that. So it's been really good, and we are going to, I've got a little crock pot on, we're going to have some supper and just relax tonight because it's going to be busy tomorrow. I'm sorry, I am obsessed with this little guy. I am obsessed. Look how close he is to the edge.
Yeah, one goes over that way.
Backing up.
Yep.
Pain things on. Got someone.
We're breaking it down. Putting stuff together. I have started taking everything off the counters and such. Ouch. Sorry. Just because the shelf is attached, so it's not going anywhere, but I don't want things sliding around, which reminds me I don't want paper towels all over the floor either, or napkins. So that can go in the basket here too. There we go. And yeah. Oh, I gotta take that board down too. So just breaking things down. Time to move on to the next spot. It's a gorgeous day today. As our time in Port Richey comes to a close, we're leaving with more than just memories of another campground. We've enjoyed reconnecting with old friends, making some new ones, and experiencing this familiar city from a completely different perspective. Our month in Seven Springs reminded us that it's not always the big attractions that make a place special. Sometimes it's the friendly neighbors, the community gatherings, the quiet bike rides, and simply settling into the rhythm of everyday life. But our Florida adventure isn't over yet. We've still got a few more RV parks waiting to be explored, along with new communities, new experiences, and plenty more adventures to share. We hope you'll join us as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Adventure awaits.